there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Today we shall learn some consonant blends. Blends are the group of words in which we can hear both the letters but they are so well combined. So it feels that their sounds are very fluent to speak, like this blah, cla, fla, gla, pla. So come on, let's have some examples of these. B, l, b, l, b, l. It's blah. We will not say it as b, l. We will say blah, blah. Like here, blah, ak. If there are two k, we will only read one time. Okay, we will not say k, k. No, it's black, black, black. Can you guess the word? Black. This is black, like this, black color. Now again, block. Two k we will read only once. Block, block, block. It's block. Excellent. Come on, try with me. Blur, 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 blur. The picture is blur. It's not clear. So we will say it blur. Blur, ink, blink, 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 blink. This is blink, like these eyes, they are blinking. If something is going open and close like the eyes, it means it's blink. Blush, 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 blush. Do you know this sh sound? I have told in my another video. Blush. This is sh. Is sh. Blush. 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 The lady is putting some blush on her cheeks. The second blend is k and l. We will not say it kl. Rather we say kla, kla, kla. So come on, let's look some examples. Clip, 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 clip. This is cla and this is ip, clip. This is a paper clip. Okay, this is cla and this is clam, clam. Let's combine then. Cla, clam. It's a clam. If there are two, we will only say once. Cliff, like this. Cliff, 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 cliff. This is a cliff. Mountain like this is called a cliff. Now, do you know now what is this? It's clap, app, clap, clap, clap. Come on, try to guess the word clap. Can you tell me which word is this? It's clap. Clap, like these two hands, they are clapping. Clap. Again, clap, k. Two k, we will read one. Clap, clock, 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 clock. This is the clock. Now the next blend is of and l. So we will say it fla, fla, fla. Like this. Flag, 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 flag. It's a flag. Flash, again share sound. Flash, 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 flash. When you go to toilet, you use this flush. Flash, 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 flash. The camera has a flash. Floss, 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 floss. It's a dental care thing. We call it floss, floss, dental floss. Flip, 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 flip. Can you see the coin? It's flipping, means it's turning around. Turn over and over. It's a flip. G and L. G and L. It makes the sound of gla, gla, gla. Let's have some examples. Glad, and add. Glad, 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 glad. Glad means very happy. Look at this boy. He's happy. He's glad. Glass, 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 glass. We call it glass, not glass. So this is the glass, glass. Globe, globe. We will not pronounce this here. Just read the sound. Globe, 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 globe. This is a globe. Glow, 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 glow. Glass. If there are two, we will say only once. Glass, 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 gloss. We put some gloss on our lips. It's gloss. Now P and L. It will be pla, pla, pla. What's this word now? It's pla and pla and pla and plan. It's plan. Plum, 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 plum. It's a fruit. It's plum. Plug, 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 plug. It's a plug. We put the plug in the socket. Plant, 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 plant. It's a plant. Plus, 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 plus. It's plus. It's a plus sign. Plus. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked it. Please share and subscribe for my channel as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you with another video. Till then, bye bye.